Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on that device. So let's just first unlock our SIM card, and after that we should open the settings application. Then scroll down to security section, scroll a little bit down and tap to SIM card lock. Now just to remove SIM pin, we should click here once on the switcher. And now let's enter our pin code, our currently pin code here. In my case, that's from 1 to 4. Then just tap here to OK, and that's it. We can see that we just successfully removed pin code on our SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.